Meaning of employee.
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 Employee. An employee is someone who works for an organization or individual in exchange for payment. Employees provide services to the employer and are often subject to certain rules and regulations set by the employer. In addition to receiving compensation, employees may be eligible for benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. As part of their employment, employees may be required to work specific hours, complete assigned tasks, attend meetings, and follow company policies and procedures. Overall, employees play an important role in carrying out the day-to-day operations of a business or organization.